In this video, I will quickly show you how to create an AWS account to start using Amazon Cloud Services. First, go to the official Amazon Web Services website and click Create an AWS account. After that, enter your email, create a password, and choose a name for your account. Next, select whether the account will be for personal or business use. Now fill in your personal information, such as your full name, address, and phone number. AWS will also ask for a credit or debit card to verify your identity. Even if you plan to use the free tier, a valid card is required. After that, confirm your phone number by entering the code sent via SMS. Next, choose the basic support plan, which is free and enough for beginners. Once registration is complete, log into the AWS dashboard using your email and password. Now, you can access services like EC2, S3, Lambda, and many others. And that's it. Now you know how to create an AWS account easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.